Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal if this is your first time here, and today I am back with another wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from LuvMeHair. As you all know, I am a fan of LuvMeHair wigs. They are in my top 5 places to order wigs from online, and let's jump into this review. Okay, so today the wig that we're going to be reviewing is the gorgeous 5x5 glueless loose wave lace wig. It is a 14-inch human hair wig with 180% density. It says that it is pre-plucked. I'm also going to be showing you how I customize and install my wigs. I don't really never fully install my wigs because I like to take my wigs off every single night. I like to grease my scalp and let my hair breathe. I don't like go full on. I'm not complicated when it comes to putting a wig on. So I'm going to show you the little bit that I do to put on a wig later on in this video. Alright guys, so this is what the wig comes packaged in. All of LuvMeHair wigs come packaged in these beautiful purple boxes. So they're already wrapped and packaged really nicely to just go right up under the tree for the holidays. Hint, hint. Alright, so when you open the box, it is packaged like this. And inside we have a $5 gift card that is valid for 3 months. We have a pamphlet with all of their return and refund information on the back. You also get this little packet full of goodies. And inside of this little pouch, you get edge brush and comb, some bobby pins, some tweezers in case you need to do some more plucking along the hairline, a clip, hair clip, says Love Me, extra piece of elastic that you can sew inside of your band to secure it a little tighter, 2 stocking caps, and a little Love Me bandana to tie down your front to secure your wig when installing it. And of course, the wig. The wigs come in these little purple pouches that say Love Me on the front. So this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. This is their gorgeous 5x5 glueless loose wave lace wig. This is 14 inches. 14 inches. It is human hair. It's 180% density. It is pre-plucked. It can be dyed, and it is made on a Swiss lace. This wig has 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. The 2 adjustable straps in the back. This one also has the elastic band already sewn in as well. I am a huge fan of glueless wigs, because then you don't really have to do too much to it. So this is the length of the wig before I do anything to it. So the hair is like really soft as always. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I put the wig on and fix her up and be back all pretty. Let's do it. Okay, so originally I was going to pluck some more of this wig, but the more I looked at it, I decided it was pre-plucked enough for the time being. So I'm going to make this video as simple and easy as possible. So right now I'm just pinning some of the hairs back so I can go ahead and cut the lace off of this unit. So I'm just grabbing some shears and I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. And you notice I can see some of the lace still once we have the wig on. So I'm going to just take a foundation brush that already has some leftover foundation on it. And I'm just going to tint the lace right there so that it matches a little bit more of my complexion and it's less noticeable when we have the wig on. Now they do sell lace tint in like beauty supply stores, but leftover foundation or brush works just as well. The band on this wig was way too big for my head. I'm definitely going to have to go back in and cut the band and or make it smaller so that the wig is a little bit more secure on my head and you will not see the lace when the band is tighter on my head. So for right now, I am going to have to like use some adhesive to put this wig on so you don't see that lace. But before we do that, I'm going to cut the front of the wig so that it frames my face and it doesn't look as wiggy in the front. So I'm just grabbing my shears again and I'm going to take a small portion of the front of the wig and cut it in a downward motion to thin out the front of the wig. we're going to do that on each side, of course. We're just going to continue to do this until it's thinned out enough for your liking. Not only is this thinning out the front of the face, it's just adding some layers. Because I said that the band inside the wig was too big for my head and it's not tight enough, I'm pinning the hair back because I'm going to use some adhesive, well, this Wonder Bond, lace bond, to hold down my wig so that it's the lace is less noticeable. And when you use this stuff, you want to work fast because it dries quickly. And normally when I use that, my edges are covered, but today for some reason it wasn't. I'm just going to tie this down for about 15 minutes while I curl my hair. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some really big loose curls to the unit. I'm using this really big curling iron because, again, I wanted to still have that wavy look. I don't want like really tight curls. So that's what I'm doing right here. Styled it to my liking, but this is basically the end result, and I hope you guys like it. Alright y'all, so this is the end result. I personally think that this is a great everyday wig. You can definitely dress this wig up and dress it down. It's very low maintenance, doesn't take much to install. You don't need any adhesive, glue, gel, spray, or whatever. I only use a tad bit because the elastic band on the inside is a tad bit too big for my head, so I'm going to have to sew in a smaller piece so that it's a little bit more secure. This wig is super soft. I had absolutely no shedding when working with it, when curling it, combing it out, or whatever. I think the length is perfect for everyday use. It's not too long and glamorous, and it's really easy to maintain. It's really soft, the hair, it's great quality, and it's really affordable. If you go on to LuvMeHair.com, you'll see that it's on sale now, I do believe, and I'll have a link to this wig in the description box down below, and they always have some type of discount code to throw on top of yourself, so definitely check them out. I am really feeling this wig. And I didn't do too much to it, and I am doing a giveaway on this video. I will be giving away a pair of LuvMeHair flat irons and 2 Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. These palettes are very festive. I would love to see what holiday creative looks you guys can recreate or create with these 2 eyeshadow palettes. I have one in red and one in green. They have some mattes and some shimmery, sparkle, glittery colors in them. So, like I said, it's very festive. Rules for the giveaway are super easy. They're the same as always. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and I must be able to verify that you are subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video, share this video, and comment down below when you're all done with that. And that's it. You're entered. So, as always, I appreciate you guys watching my video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.